It was such a great honour to take part in a traditional Cretan cooking class in Vamos village, hosted by the wonderful Kyria Vula in the stunning backdrop of an olive mill. We start with dolmades and then our cuisine, followed by the filling for our calzunea, followed by the rolling of the filo from the wonderful Vula and her vibrant personality. We cut our shapes out for the calzunea, fill them and enclose them, making them into little parcels. And showing you one more time. We then brush the calzunea with some egg and they are ready for the oven. Moving on to our zucchini fritters. Add them into a pan with some hot olive oil until they sizzle and colour on both sides, and then they're ready to be served. Adding the chilopites to the cuisine. I wish you could smell this. Getting our eggplant dip ready, and our dolmades are ready for the table. We then get to enjoy all of our creations whilst flicking through Kyria Vula's book, which is available on Amazon.